Hello folks, Jump Monster video. As you've seen from the last video, it demonstrates that this very popular device, jump starter out there, at the clamps, even though the device is off, it shows that it has DC power. Well, I'm going to repeat that test once again. The device is off, nothing here, and I'm just using a ordinary meter, and I'm just gonna put my red to red, black to black illustrations here, and you look at it, there's 12 volts in there, and it is in off positions. So that means this, when you load up on the batteries, it's going to show sparks, and it is going to show any other symptoms that, you know, your wrong signs of battery, wrong polarities, or if you hook it up wrong, it's going to be showing some dangerous act. Now I'm going to show you my product, which is the Jump Monster brand Jump Start. Now, again, I already hook it up, and I'm going to turn it on. Now now it's turned on, and it is on. It is in blue light. I just want to show you something extraordinary here. Nobody would dare to do that. I'm just going to dead short this thing, and it is showing on, and I'm going to hit the jump button on it, and there's no power. To even further prove that, I'm going to clip it on, and it is showing 0, 0, 0. There's no power. Why is that? The reason for that is this particular unit is actually looking for a battery before you turn on the power. I have a clear case here to show you the components in here, and the relay actually sits here. The first reference check is a battery polarity. Now my next test is going to be, I'm going to grab a ordinary, 12 volt battery, and I'm just going to hook up wrong for some reason. So the black, I'm going to hook up the red, and you guys are going to say, oh no, this is going to, sparks is going to fly. Well, we'll see. Now I'm going to turn it on. You can see that this thing automatically senses the polarity. Let me hook it up the proper way. Now if I do the jump, nothing happens. There's an icon here, and there's nothing. Okay, see it flashes, that means it's okay. I'm not going to hit the jump. Pay attention to the icon. See the icon here? Now that means you're ready to crank your car, because I've got the right polarity, and now the relay is on, and now the power is going to deliver to your battery. Thank you for watching. This is another illustration of the key feature of the Jump Monster Jump Start product. Thank you.